Hey guys, it's Russia and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my August 2020 Curlbox unboxing and review. I actually used all of these products in my hair before I filmed this video and I really liked them, so I'm excited to share with you all the products and what they specifically did for my hair. So let's get into it. So the line that we received in this month's box was the Dr. Miracles Strong and Healthy line. Now prior to this, I had never heard of Dr. Miracles, and honestly I probably walked by the products in the store before, but it never really caught my eye. So I'm glad that I have Curlbox because I probably wouldn't have picked this up if I was just shopping myself. So I'm going to start off with the shampoo. So this is the Aloe Vera and Honey non-stripping detox shampoo. This is supposed to help cleanse and treat your hair like every other shampoo, but it says it removes up to 95% of styling buildup, which is really nice. I'm always looking for products that really help with buildup and focus on that because I do feel like I use heavier leave-in conditioners and gel and styling products, so that's really important for me. And it also says it leaves your hair feeling hydrated and clean without feeling stripped. And honestly, that one line is exactly how I felt when I was using this shampoo. This is the type of shampoo where I used it on my scalp, I really scrubbed it in, and it really felt like it was cleaning my scalp, it was getting rid of all the buildup, but my hair still felt silky and slippery as if I didn't have anything in it or as if I didn't put anything in it. Sort of like when you put your hair under the faucet and your hair is just getting wet, which was so crazy to me because I'm so used to shampoos feeling like they're taking out my natural oils in my hair and my hair really feeling dehydrated and dry after I use shampoo. So I can say that I really do like this shampoo. It didn't get rid of every single little drop of the buildup on my scalp, but it did get rid of most of it, which is important to me. The next product that I used after the shampoo was the deep conditioner, and this is the rice protein and babasu oil, which I've actually never heard of, but it's supposed to help with moisturizing your hair, hydrating and strengthening deep conditioner. And this deep conditioner is supposed to hydrate and strengthen your hair to really lessen the chance of you getting breakage on your hair, which I really do like. I do get breakage and I feel like my hair is really prone to breakage, so that is important to me when it comes to any sort of hair mask or deep conditioner, to make sure that it's protecting my hair and making it stronger, so that way I don't have to deal with a lot of breakage. And with this deep conditioner, I actually used it in conjunction with a heated deep conditioner cap. So I got out of the shower and really made sure that this mask was going to help penetrate into my hair follicles and really make sure that my hair was moisturized. I left that on for about 10 to 15 minutes under the heated cap, and then I washed it out, and my hair honestly felt so hydrated, so soft, so silky. And that's really what I'm looking for when I do a hair mask or a deep conditioner. I want my hair to feel like brand new, like silky, smooth, soft, and that's exactly what I got with this deep conditioner. Now I won't be able to tell you if it's really helped my hair after one use, but after one use I was really happy with how my hair felt after using this. So next is the leave-in conditioner. So I can say that I really like that the leave-in came in a jar. I'm used to having leave-ins come in bottles where I have to pump it, and this is a little bit easier because you can sort of tell when you're running out a little bit easier. And sometimes when you have products with pumps, it's kind of hard to determine, especially if the bottle isn't clear, how much product you really have left. So I do really like that this comes in a jar. So this has shea butter and rosemary in it. So the rosemary is supposed to like help refresh your hair, and the shea butter is supposed to help nourish. And this leave-in is supposed to moisturize and really seal your strands to help with frizz control, which I definitely can say that I'm seeing that right now because I'm looking at my hair and I literally don't see any frizz on any of these strands. This leave-in cream is also supposed to help with breakage, which is really nice because you have the deep conditioner helping with breakage and you also have the leave-in helping with breakage, so your hair should definitely be strong after using these products. So now we're moving on to the last styling product, and this is the Biotin and Aloe Vera Nourishing and Styling Gel. Now you guys know how I feel about gel. I'm very particular, and after touching my hair, I can tell you my hair is not dry, it is not flaky, it is not crunchy, and this is the type of gel that really leaves your hair soft but also with definition and hold, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about the crunchies, the flakes, anything. Your hair is gonna feel amazing. And what I thought was so interesting about this gel is that it has biotin in it. I don't think I've ever seen a hair care product with biotin actually in the product. I know that you can take biotin pills. I take biotin pills for my hair, skin, and nails, and like biotin is in other things, but I've never seen it in an actual hair care product. So that's kind of cool because if you take a biotin supplement and then you're also using biotin in your hair should really start becoming stronger and stronger, which is really nice. So honestly, I would definitely recommend this gel if you're looking for something with biotin in it, or you want a gel that is not going to leave your hair feeling crunchy. So the last product I have to share with you guys is the Black Castor and Tea Tree Restoring Hair and Scalp Oil. Now I'm super glad that this box came with a hair oil because I've been trying to use a hair oil on my scalp every night to help stimulate growth, and this has black castor oil in it, which is really good for strengthening your hair. This has tea tree oil in it and mango butter, and you can really feel the tea tree oil in this product because you can sort of feel that cooling sensation on your scalp, which is really nice. I've only been using this for a couple of days, so I can't really tell you guys if it's been helping my hair grow, but I do really like the smell of this oil. I like the way it makes my scalp feel. It feels super moisturizing, and it's always just good to have a hair and scalp oil that you can use before bed or just to hydrate your hair when you feel like it needs a little bit of extra moisture. So I really do like that we got an oil in this month's box. So overall, I really did like this product line. I like that we got a line that was focused primarily on breakage and hair growth and strengthening your hair, because that's something that I'm really focused on right now. So this was really a perfect fit for me. I really love the way the product performed in my hair. As you guys can see, the products are in my hair right now, and my hair is really moisturized, it's defined, it's shiny, it's hydrated. So I really cannot complain about these products, and I'm excited to keep using them for this month. And if you are still questioning on whether Curlbox is worth it, I personally think it is. I got 5 full-size products that I can use for this entire month, and being someone that has really thick hair that kind of goes through product really quickly, it's really nice to get a new set of products each month that I can test out, see if I like it, and I always have backup products in my closet that I can use if I don't happen to like the product line that I got. And if you guys need even more convincing, you guys can check out my July Curlbox video, which is right here. So that was it for today's video. Make sure to like this video to help support my channel, comment down below, and subscribe so that you guys can see me here every Wednesday and Sunday, and I am throwing in a Friday upload, so make sure you watch out for that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.